This is part 2 of the cat door thing. Here we have an unboxed version. Trixie 4-way cat flap. Cat flap. I imagine now the cat flying, and flapping the wings like flap, flap, flap. Yeah. Let me turn the camera screen so I can see what I'm shooting. I told you I was going to come with more details after I've used the R1 for the bathroom. It's not perfect. The biggest problem it has is that the hinges are not very well tightened. I mean, the door doesn't go straight along the axis. It's not very well fastened. It just kind of wobbles in a bunch of holes. There's no ball bearings or complicated stuff like that. It's just a plastic pin going through a hole, and that wobbling around makes quite some noise. If you're sensitive to nighttime noises like I am, that's not going to be very good. But I glued a couple of washers, that kind of made something up, and now it's not making that much noise. So there we go. I'm gonna unbox this, and let me check the position on the camera, and that's very good. I think I failed to notice these two pieces of tape for the other one, because I I ripped apart the box. Let's take the door out. And this is the same thing with the template to cut the door. Just the same thing, and we have two of these tunnels. I only need one. And here we have the screws, but they're a bit too long for what I need, so I'm gonna use my own screws. So we put these away. Check that the template is right again. It appears so. And then I forgot to take the measuring tape. Because we need to center this thing. .2. That's right. I keep getting off camera because this is. What if I stay like this? That's better. And I'm gonna put it where the hole will be. Actually, I don't even need to do that. Just need to measure the hole width on a door. That's 80. And then I have to do 80 minus, how much is this? Again, 16.2. And then divide that by 2, and we get 31.9 centimeters. Because I think this door is a bit wider. So again, we have 31.9, which is about here. And yeah, it looks like it's centered. Oh, I'm doing a mistake now because the bottom of the door is not actually straight. It's been cut by someone else. And the cut is not straight. It's actually taller on the right side than on the left. So I need to align it with this edge right there. So if I'm going to measure A21, yes, and I don't know if you can see on the camera now, comparing to the outer edge, the template seems a bit off, like this, rotated to the right, but it's actually the right orientation. Okay. Last time I think I used a pencil. It doesn't matter because this line is going to be underneath the door anyway. Okay. I have to pay attention at the camera. It will stop when the file reaches a certain size. And I can't really afford any other camera right now, so I have to put up with that and put the files together and then in the editing software and then upload. So these outer edges will be what I'm after. So I have to put the drill on the inside. I have everything ready now. I've already prepared my drill. Okay, it's about 7 p.m. so it's not extremely late. Actually, I think it's around the same time I did the first door last time. Let me check the other side if it's clear and check the inside. Yeah, it should be easy. And here we go. Let me get some screws. Okay, let's check the other side now. Okay, now I will go put the door on the frame and come back with the result.